The internet is vast, and there are lots of different components to consider for internet protection. Let's start with something that most people use every day: search engines. Nowadays, users use search engines to ask every question they can think of. At work, they're typing in questions on how to do their job, find a formula, look up a word, create a plan, download a document or a template that is already formatted for their needs, and much more. And they're searching for things that they shouldn't be searching for at work: how to download the newest music or movie, or watch a certain TV show. The problem is they're also clicking on the search results without first checking if it's a legitimate site. This commonly happens on social media websites as well. Because their friend posted something, that means it must be safe, right? So they click on the link and they get infected. Both with search engines and social media, just because it's posted by your friend or just because the result comes up in a search doesn't mean it's legitimate and safe at all. Even if a website is reputable, an advertisement being displayed could be malicious and infect your computer or mobile device. So you need to be concerned not just about websites, but also about advertisements. Next, free things such as music, movies, game cheats, or more are very commonly filled with malware, and they are rarely what they say they are. So not only is piracy a crime, but malicious actors prey on people who are looking for free things. They aren't always illegal or pirated things like music or movies, but often are other things like documents to help you with your business, or free marketing plans and so forth.